Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd. This channel is about teaching you the basics of cooking because everyone should have the skill set. Today, we are going to do our next power bowl. Remember I promised for this week we're going to do some power bowl, right? So today, I come up with a different power bowl. Remember, viewers, this is not for you to go out and buy different stuff. This is use up the stuff that you have in your house. Just dig around. You'll find stuff. Just dig in the freezer and wherever together, right? So I'm going to put together this bowl. And as usual, if there's anything that you see that you don't understand and you want me to demonstrate it, maybe cooking process or whatever, let me know. But this is to show you how to put together a good power bowl for yourself because you don't want to sit there and get bloated because of not exercising or whatever, because we locked down, right? So we got to make sure we eat properly. So let's move on to our power bowl right now. Okay, let's get started right now. Okay, you see everything that I have here, we'll go through step by step. So it's about a head of romaine, okay? Broccoli. So I have some broccoli here, blanch, and I have some olive oil, salt and pepper, okay? Take some cucumber here. And guys, don't forget to use your hands. Make sure your hands are washed, okay? Clean. I have some bell pepper here. I have some chickpeas. Oh, I have these dry chickpeas and I cooked them last night and they're perfect right now for me. Some roasted 5x6 tomatoes I picked up. You know, I blackened them with some blackened spice. Wow. Look at this here. Mouth is watery. Watery, guys. Because the smell is unbelievable. You remember I talk about what is king? This is king. That liquid here, look. That's king. Wow. I have here some shredded carrots. So I just take my peeler and I shred these. I shred it. Okay, so this is about a carrot. Wow. I'm excited to sit down and eat this. I wish we could share with you guys right now, but you know. Now, the star of the show, guys. This is the star. This is the star. The protein for me today is a star. Some roasted chicken. Guys, I put that right here. Tell me the bowl doesn't look fantastic, guys. Now we have another king here. Avocado is king, man. King. Now, I know you think the bowl is filling up. No, this gotta get on the plate. So I get a big scoop. Okay. And I take this bad boy and I just rest it right here. Guys, he's gonna go down very fast. Then, I love fresh lime. From the Caribbean, we just roll this stuff here. Soften it, get the juice flowing, you know. Cut, guys. Boom. Okay. And then, of course, there. And then I'm gonna put some of that Scotch bonnet pepper and all the good stuff in there. I'm gonna add it onto my food and I'm good to go. Here we go, the finished product. I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna enjoy this bad boy. It's gonna take me about, I would say half an hour to eat because I'm not gonna rush it. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy it because no rush where I'm going, right? So, and of course, you know, every day I like to have a fruit because I can't do without my fruit. So I'm gonna have an apple. Okay. Thank you for watching, my viewers. This has been a blast. I'm enjoying doing these segments and I can't wait to see what I'm going to dig up tomorrow because this is not a plan. I get up and say, okay, what am I going to do? And I'm going to have to dig around in the fridge and the freezer later to figure out what's the plan for tomorrow. But thank you for watching. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any feedback, please give me it so I could get better because this is about getting better. This is about teaching you and sharing the skill that I have, but I could still learn from a lot of you out there. So please let me know, okay? Listen, I'm not even trying to put it in your face. I'm not even trying to do that, but what I want you to see, just look at this. Look at this for a second, man. I'm gonna enjoy this. This is one of the best time of my day too, when I get to create a little thing and just kind of enjoy it, you know, because food is my thing, as you will notice, okay? So thank you for watching, and listen, if you love it, if you like it, please subscribe, tell your friends, you know, and we can do a lot of stuff on this channel. Just get started. But we will get to where we have to get to, okay? Still learning this all video and stuff and communicating through this lens here, but I'm working with it. And thanks for all the support, the people who stick with me for all these years, okay? Looking forward for the next video. As usual, one love.